it's Sam.
And Lily, hello.
Hello, and today we're going to be doing a Capsule Chix unboxing. Okay, so there's like a little tub right here. Oh.
So I found...
And then I think you have to twist this.
Oh, here's
have to twist.
manual. There's a little manual.
Twist it, and then I think they come down. I see one coming out.
There.
Keep twisting.
Come on, twist.
Keep twisting.
Twist.
Oh! Okay, that's the first one.
Let's open this and see what's inside.
Okay, so there's a ton of different customizable options to change the look of your doll. It comes in a little pink bag like this. Okay, what's in there?
I do not know.
And then the fun thing is that you can keep the box, and then it says open to reload right here, and then you can load all of your little capsules again, and then the kids can keep on playing with it. So then they can twist it again, and then each time they have a little kind of like fun, where did it go? I think we gotta shake it up a little bit. Is it in? I think it wants to come in, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's give it a little wackadoodle.
I think we're gonna need some scissors for this, so I'm gonna go grab some scissors
there it goes.
real quick.
Oh, here. I can open it for you.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Is it too hard for kids?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so what's the first item that you
There's
got?
a little stand. Can see it.
A little stand.
Ooh, and
Oh, her head.
we got her head.
Okay, let's get it up close so they can see.
See, who's
Ooh, cute eyeshadow.
I think it's her.
Oh, yeah. So it has a little pamphlet right here that like has all of the different looks, but I think we got her head. This little girl right here. Oh, and they are posable. So there's Giga Glam, Ram Rock, Sweet Circuits.
As you see, I grabbed out another
Oh,
one.
she has another capsule. They have different types of shoes. They have a ton of different heads. And they all have different makeup as well.
Here's
Okay,
another baggie.
here's another baggie.
Ooh, I found somebody's hair.
Ooh! Okay, should we put it on her hair?
Yeah.
So we're gonna stick her little head in, and then we're gonna pop her little...
Wow, she looks pretty.
Does she?
Yeah. What?
How do I put her head in? Maybe I should do this first. You wanna do it? Okay, so she's got blonde hair with a cute little pink headband. It has little flowers. Okay, so that's her head so far. Ooh, we've got so much. Okay,
So
there's more.
You can change her hair.
Yeah. Are you gonna shake it again? Okay, dial up your hair. I'll hold the box and then you can dial it so everyone can see. Did another one come down?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, and then I think we've got, oh, there's still two more in here. This is like the gift that doesn't stop giving. Okay, she's gonna open her third capsule. How do you say capsule?
Capsule.
Oh, you do? Do I say it wrong?
I don't know.
Capsule, capsule, I don't know. Man, you could collect so many of these.
I see her body.
Oh, she has a body. Woohoo!
See.
Over 4 billion looks to build, over 400 pieces to collect. Wow. It says, will you find the limited edition doll inside? There's a limited edition doll. Lilybug.
That's what it says.
Oh, it's the mermaid one. She's so pretty. So we have a body, a head, and hair so far. Her outfit is pretty cute.
I'm gonna shake it. Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
there it is. Okay.
Here's ours.
This is our
Fourth.
fourth, and then we've got, I think, one more. I like how how you could like save these, and then you could keep all of the little bits in here.
Here is our fifth bag.
Fourth, I think fourth, yeah.
Oh, I found her dress. I found her
That's
dress.
so cute. Okay, let's stick her dress on.
Here's her legs.
Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna stick her legs in here. They bend and everything, her little leggies.
And then we have to stick on her dress.
And then we have this. Okay, we gotta stick on her dress. She is fancy. So you stick them in the stand, right? Like this.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it.
And then she stands on it.
Here is our fifth bag. Let's see what's in here. Maybe it's a little purse, I think it is. Let's see.
Maybe it's shoes.
Oh yeah, it's your shoes.
Oh yes, so see there's the stand here, and then you can have them standing up on the stand. You got shoes for her?
Yeah, they're gray shoes.
Oh my gosh, cute. Should we put them on?
Yeah. And then here's a little bag. So here's a little bag.
Look how cute she is. She has a purse, she has her little bracelet. She's got super cool like moon space boots. She's pretty cute. Do you like her?
Yeah, she's amazing.
So what are you gonna name her?
I think I'm gonna name her. The first thing that came to my head was Starlight.
Starlight. There we go. We have the perfect name for her. Her name is Starlight. She is cute.
That is a good name.
That's the perfect name. You should like name kids' toys. That should be your calling in life.
Ooh!
That's a good job. Are you gonna put her on a stand or are you gonna play with her?
I think I'm gonna show my brother and then I'm gonna like play with her a bunch.
Yeah, that would be super fun. What did you think? Would you recommend this to all of our friends on Instagram and YouTube?
Yeah.
You would. Do you think that all of the people that are your age would like them?
Uh-huh.
What about your new friend that's in our neighborhood?
Ooh, there.
I bet she'd like to look at it, wouldn't she?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, now she lost her purse. Are you happy with your doll?
Yeah.
Are you going to collect more? Then you can like switch and like change their hair and change their outfits?
Uh-huh. I wish it came with some undies.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Are you upset that it doesn't have underwear?
No, it's fine. It's just... Wow.
Wow, yeah, you're right. If she is walking downstairs, someone below her could see.
She needs undies.
She needs undies. Well, maybe next time they'll give her undies.
Maybe.
I don't know if they make undies for these girls, or maybe next time she'll just have pants or shorts. Okay, guys, so there is our first Capsule Chix unboxing. I think Lily's pretty happy with the final result. It says that each box comes with 15 pieces inside and there's 5 surprise capsules. And then you can keep, like I said, keep this box and then you can reload all of the little capsules in here and then you can keep on dialing it. And every time you want to play with it, then you can just do it all over again. It's like an unboxing experience over and over. What?
She comes with undies.
Wait, she does?
Yeah.
You were right. Some of them do have undies. Okay, so see, we're gonna load all of these back.
But who's wears undies over pants?
Maybe she does.
But this has all the faces you can get.
And then we've just reloaded them all in there and then she can twist them up all over again. That's super fun. Okay, well, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed and found that fun for your little one. It says ages, I think it's ages 6 and up. I could be wrong here. Yeah, 6 and up, and Lily is 6. What's your favorite thing that she's wearing right now?
I like her dress.
Yeah, that's really cute. I wish we had skirts like this.
Guess what? She doesn't have any ears.
That's why she can't hear us.
You don't have any ears.
You don't have any ears. Starlight.
Who doesn't have any ears?
Maybe it's because she needs headphones. Maybe her ears are in her headphones in the next box. Oh, I wonder if it's because they changed their hair so much they can't have ears because it will get in the way. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like Lily's unboxing. And we'll see you very soon.
Oh, and she also like comes with winter clothes.
Oh, really? Yeah. Ooh, festive. Yeah, she does have a little bunny, like a pom-pom ear.
They come with braids.
Here, let's show them.
Yeah. They come with braids, like
Look
little.
how cute that is.
They come with braids, funny ears, like
Adorable.
angel things. Yeah, a lot of those.
So cute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you excited to go show Phoenix?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to say goodbye? Here,
Bye.
come on over with your doll. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye, if you can hear me.
Starlight says goodbye as well. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.